Okay, this is a quick operational video for an HBC Radiomatic RF remote control system. This one's being used on a concrete pumping truck. This is the handheld pendant that the operator uses. This is the base station that's attached to the truck. Normally looks like this. Here's where the cables, the interface to the truck, the various solenoid valves and things are. So normally when it's sitting in an idle mode, you've got 4 LEDs here that you can see through a little window. First LED shows that there's power on the unit. It should be, there you go. First one shows power's on the unit. Second LED that's red says it is not receiving a signal, and that's because the handheld unit's turned off. Around here there is a LED, you see it blinking yellow there in the first board. It's calling out. This is a full duplex radio system on 900 megahertz. Antenna's up top here. You can remote the antenna or use it right on the unit. These have a pretty long range. Anyway, the typical startup procedure for this is you have to begin with your switches at neutral, all switches at midpoint here. Emergency stop first, emergency stop out. Then power on, blink, blink, and it'll shake hands with the unit, and it comes on. So now first LED, you have power on the unit. The second LED is off because it is receiving a radio signal. The green, the third LED is green because it's got a handshake with the unit and it's ready to go. Everything's fully operational. So, and this one that you cannot see through the front panel is showing that the radio system is doing a full handshake with the unit. Now, no matter whatever happens, when you shut this thing off, if the emergency stop is pressed, you can see it lost radio signal, that red LED is on. If you bring the, even if you bring the emergency stop back out, you still have to cycle power. Power off, power on. See a little green blink here, boom, system's back operational, green light's on. So the best way to power this thing down is after you've hit E-stop, turn the power switch off. Then when you're ready to restart, you're already set up for that. So I've got this set at high speed. So again, you would pop out E-stop, power on, handshake, ready to go. There's a fuse. It's important here. There's 4 fuses that are user accessible here. This fuse, if you have a wiring problem on the truck or a solenoid valve that's bad on the truck somewhere, that will be the one that you lose. So if you ever blow that fuse and things don't seem to work, there you go. You need to look on the truck. There's a problem in the connector or in the wiring or a solenoid valve somewhere. But anyway, these are pretty cool. A lot of the guys that have these systems on their trucks love them. They're very, very robust and good solid performer. Most of the time you'll have at least a half-mile range on this thing. So pretty cool stuff.